In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your WhatsApp. And now, if you don't want to let people to know your last seen status, you need to do the following. So first hit the settings, then hit accounts. Now select privacy and there hit on last seen. By default it's changed to everyone, so you can now switch it to my contacts except some specific contacts, or as me you can set it to nobody, and in that case nobody will be able to get information about your last seen status, even your contacts. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.